Thank you very much for watching this video. I really enjoyed making the potion holders and I hope that you enjoyed watching the video as well. Thank you very much for sticking around till the very end. This potion holder was given out on my live stream last Saturday. It was won by Rockinar, who's another great maker out there. I enjoyed making this potion holder so much that I made several others. Over here, it's a very simple project that you can make, and the templates will be free and they're found in the video description. And I would just like to let you know that if you don't know about my live streams, I usually host them in the weekends, usually Saturday or Sunday evening, but I'll keep you posted on Instagram and Facebook when I'm going live. If you have never been on one of my live streams, I really hope that you do consider giving it a try. The live streams have a lot of varied content, from making stuff here in the garage to designing and sketching and 3D modeling stuff on Fusion 360 on the computer. So make sure to tune in, and I'm sure there'll be something that you might be interested in. Most importantly, I get to do what I love doing, which is making stuff, and I get to also really enjoy interacting with the community out there, who are a great bunch of people. Last Saturday, in the last live stream that I held, I had 3 friends over as well, and we had a bit of a chat, a bit of a discussion while I 3D modeled the Jedi holocron. So if you would like to watch that live stream in particular, maybe you missed it, it's in the playlist called live stream on my channel. We had a laugh, we talked about making and comics and movies and art and all sorts of things that we are into. One last thing, I would really like to thank you, the followers, the community who give me support I need to continue making these videos, as well as my patrons who provide their financial support as well. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Until the next time, take care and keep making stuff.